how to transfer money to crypto.com from bank account. So in other words, you want to deposit money from bank account to crypto.com, right? For this, all you have to do is open the crypto.com app, and this is the type of information that you will see. And from here, what you just have to do is just simply go to the transfer option from the top right. Once you've done that, select the deposit option because we're trying to deposit it. So once you've done that, it's not crypto that we want to deposit, it's fiat. Fiat means currency, which is your real currency. So you just go to the fiat option. Right here, you just select the currency that you want to deposit the money from. And once done, you have the deposit options. Like if you can link your bank account, that will be instantly. And you can also manually deposit from any bank account or wire transfer it, which is going to take a couple of days. But the instant is if you link your bank account. So assuming you have that option, just select that and just initiate all the deposit access information. Select the amount of money you want to deposit, add a bank account if you haven't done so, and once you've done that, crypto.com will give you a little disclaimer that it uses Plead to connect your account. And once done, you also have to select your bank from, if it's in the US, so you select your bank and then just enter your credentials of your bank account like email and password of your mobile or online banking, then tap on the submit button, and here you can see confirm the deposit. All the information you will see here, the amount, fees, depositing from which account to which account, the method, the processing time, and the total receive amount, and tap on the confirm option, and just like that, you'd have successfully transferred money. This way you'll be able to transfer money to crypto.com from bank account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.